Welcome back to episode 2 of the Anime Toolbox series. Today, we're building a Shuriken. Let's get it. Once again, we are starting off with a box. Since I know the Shuriken will be smaller than the build plate, I'm going to make the box the size of the part instead.
And I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?
100 millimeters seems like a good size for my hand. Now I could lay the picture over the top and trace around it like I did in the last video. But I couldn't find any pictures of a Shuriken that wasn't perfectly flat. So I decided I would try to be as geometrical as I could until I got the shape that I wanted. Now we just clean up the extra lines and extrude the sketch to make a 3D form.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped
I bet it would look a lot better if we give it some pointy edges and a rounded center.
me how to live again. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe.
Once the design is finished, it's time to send the Shuriken over to the slicing program, so we can get those sweet G-codes to send to the printer. Speaking of G-codes, you can get these codes for free at my Thingiverse store in the description below. If you would like to be notified every time I add a new G-code, you can subscribe to my channel. My goal is 2 prints every week, so don't miss out. Once you level your bed, make any last-minute adjustments to ensure solid adhesion. And just like that, you have an easy-to-print Shuriken. Sometimes it sticks a little too good. It always brings me joy when I get to hold something that was just floating around in my head. You ever get that same feeling?
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with
All that's left is cleaning off the supports and any crazies that might have happened on your print.
here and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see.
And there you have it. The Shuriken is complete.
Hold on to me.
In episode 3, we will be doing Awesome's chakra plates, so don't miss that one.